Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a slow PC. We'll start with quick software and maintenance tasks, then move into hardware upgrades and a few advanced options if you need a bigger boost. Begin with the simplest fix: restart your PC. A fresh reboot clears temporary glitches, resets background processes, and often restores performance without any other changes. After that, close apps and browser tabs you're not using. If something feels sluggish, open Task Manager to see what's using the most CPU, memory, or disk, and close non-essential items to free up resources. Next, stop unnecessary programs from launching at startup. In Task Manager's Startup tab, disable apps you don't need right when the computer turns on. This can dramatically speed up boot time and reduce constant background activity. Free up disk space by uninstalling programs you never use and deleting files you no longer need. Go through your Downloads folder and large media folders to clear out duplicates and old installers. Then run Disk Cleanup, the built-in Windows tool, to remove temporary files, system cache, and other clutter. Select your main drive, review the categories, and clean safely. This can reclaim gigabytes and improve responsiveness. Keep your system current by installing the latest Windows updates, along with updated device drivers like graphics and chipset drivers. Many performance and compatibility issues are fixed in these releases, and you'll often need to restart to complete them. Follow up with a malware scan using your antivirus. Choose a full scan if possible. It takes longer, but it's thorough and can remove sneaky programs that slow everything down. Finally, clear your browser's cache, cookies, and history to speed up web browsing. Be aware that clearing cookies will sign you out of sites. If your PC still feels slow, check for overheating. Power down, unplug, and gently clean dust from vents and fans with short bursts of compressed air. Good airflow prevents thermal throttling, which can cut your performance under load. For bigger improvements, consider adding more RAM. 4 GB is a bare minimum. 8 to 16 GB is smoother for modern multitasking. Verify the supported type and capacity for your system before buying. Upgrading from a hard drive to a solid-state drive is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. An SSD slashes boot times and makes apps open almost instantly. You can clone your existing drive to the SSD or do a fresh install. If you still use a traditional hard drive, run the built-in Optimize Drives tool to defragment it. Don't defragment SSDs, they use trim instead. As a last resort, back up your important files and perform a reset to start fresh with a clean system. Afterward, reinstall your essential apps and apply updates. With these steps, your PC should feel noticeably faster and more responsive. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.